Dismissed Bulacan Chief Engineer Henry Alcantara confirms channeling kickbacks to Senators Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, and Bong Revilla. Estrada and Villanueva had earlier been implicated by Alcantara's subordinate Bryce Hernandez, but this is the first time Revilla is mentioned. Alcantara says he did everything upon the instructions of Roberto Bernardo, a former Undersecretary of the Department of Public Works and Highways who has yet to appear in any of the congressional hearings. Alcantara's affidavit shows how kickbacks were funneled by contractors to congressmen and senators, establishing a link to as high up as former House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico.
Ang kasunduan ay 25% para sa proponent. Ang proyekto ayon kay Yusek Bernardo.
According to Alcantara, there was a 300 million peso insertion in 2024 for Revilla, who at the time was about to run for re-election in 2025. The insertion became 3 projects amounting to 100 million pesos each, all flood control structures in Plaridel, Bulacan. Alcantara claims he increased the kickback to 30% on Bernardo's urging.
Henry, kay Sedbong yan, baka gusto mo tumulong sa kanya. Dagdagan mo ang proponent ko na bahala.
Alcantara also alleges that in 2024, there was a 355 million peso insertion for Estrada. These were 7 flood control structures in Hagonoy and Malolos with an alleged 25% kickback to the proponent alleged to be Estrada.
Wala po akong direktang transaksyon o direktang pakipag-ugnayan kay Senator Jinggoy.
In 2022, Villanueva allegedly asked for multipurpose buildings worth 1.5 billion pesos. But Alcantara notes there was only 600 million pesos available.
Hindi ito na pagbigyan, kaya napilitan kaming gumawa ng paraan ni Yusek Bernardo. Hindi humingi ng partikular na proyekto o porsyento si Senator Joel, pero inutos ni Yusek Bernardo na bigyan na lamang ng proyekto na may katumbas na 150 million na proponent.
Alcantara says they requested 600 million pesos from unprogrammed appropriations in 2023, corroborating what Bryce Hernandez earlier said.
Ang halagang 150 million dila ko sa rest house sa Barangay Igulot, Bukay, Bulacan, na iniiwan ko po sa tao niya na ang nagangalan lang pong Peng. Sinabi ko kay Peng na pakibigay na lang kay boss, tulong lamang yan para sa future na plano niya. Hindi po nila alam na doon galing yon sa flood control.